Hello, this is Laura Sanchez. I'm the Library Tech Associate for Hudson County Community College Library. I'm mostly situated in the Journal Square campus, and this is a video tutorial on how to print your schedule from the MyHudson Portal. So first off, you can use any browser that you would like to use. Here I am using Firefox. And on the address bar, type in www.hccc.edu. This will take you to the official Hudson County Community College website. And to access the portal, you can either click here in the MyHudson Portal, or you can scroll down and click here. To make it quicker, you can also type in my.hccc.edu and then press enter. And it'll take you to the login page where here your username is the first letter of your first name, your last name, and the last four numbers of your student ID. So if your name is, for example, John Doe, it'll be J Doe, and it'll be the last four numbers of the student ID. Say it's 1234. And at live.hccc.edu. By default, your password is your birthday. So for example, if your birthday is on January 1st, 1995, it will be 010195. After that, click sign in. And this is your Hudson County Community College portal. So scroll down a little, and to the right side, you'll see Library Link, and click on Library Link for Students. And then afterwards, go to Academic Profile, and then scroll down and go to Class Schedule. Additionally, you can also go to I Need to on the top left and go down to where it says Print My Class Schedule, and it'll also take you to the same place. And from here, choose the term. As of this point, we're on spring 2020. And if you want to go to future schedules, you can do that as well. And choose the term and then click submit. And here we have a sample schedule ready to be printed. You can always right-click on the mouse and print, and it will bring you to a dialog box where you can view and print your schedule. So here's the schedule, and you can click print. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow HCCC Library on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Be sure to visit our website at library.hccc.edu.